A country where you can find traditional music, instruments, dances, and breathtaking scenery in every corner. Scotland. Number 1. Scottish Highlands. It refers to a captivating region located in the north of Scotland. In this area, you can find magnificent natural beauty, mountains, lakes, beaches, and more. Here, you can explore historical castles, the heritage of clans, traditional Scottish music, and dance. The Scottish Highlands are beyond perfect for nature enthusiasts, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. Edinburgh. Located in the southeastern part of Scotland, serves as the country's capital and largest city. This captivating city blends historical and modern elements seamlessly. Its most iconic symbol is the magnificent Edinburgh Castle, situated atop a breathtaking hill. This impressive castle is so ancient that it has been in use since the 12th century. Another remarkable place is the Royal Mile, the name given to the Old Town area. It offers a charming experience with its historic architecture and narrow streets. If you wish to witness the harmonious coexistence of historical and modern elements, be sure to make a stop at this marvelous destination. Number 3. Isle of Skye. The Isle of Skye is a captivating island located on the west coast of Scotland. This island is part of the Scottish Highlands and is known for its ancient monasteries and traditional Scottish villages. Additionally, the famous fairy pools, renowned waterfalls, can also be found on this island. The Isle of Skye will be an unforgettable destination for those who want to explore Scotland's natural beauty and history. Number 4. Oban. Oban is a small coastal town located in West Scotland. In this town, you can find stunning sea views, natural beauty, and an abundance of fresh seafood. For nature enthusiasts, Oban offers numerous hiking trails through the surrounding mountains and forests. If you're looking for a peaceful coastal town atmosphere and want to savor the beauty of nature, this place is the perfect destination for you. Number 5. Eilean Donan Castle. Located in the middle of a magnificent sea loch, this castle stands in a dramatic setting that emphasizes its grandeur. Built in the 13th century, the castle has undergone several restorations throughout its history. It has also frequently appeared in popular culture, serving as one of the iconic locations where unforgettable scenes were filmed in movies. If you wish to visit, you can explore historical exhibits, furnishings, and decorations inside the castle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more.